Sketch the inequalities. So this is a favorite experience question in paper 2. Let's say the question is given in the market there are two types of printing machine A and B. The following table are the price, space needed, and number of operators. A printing company plans to buy X unit of A, so this is X unit, and Y unit of B. Its allocated of maximum budget is 400,000. The space is 660 meters square and hire at least 75 operators. First, write down the inequality. So the first part we can see that it used maximum only 400,000. So for A machine, it will be 100,000 ringgit X plus 25,000 ringgit of Y, which must be less than or equal to 400,000. So because the budget is only 400,000, and in this case you can actually simplify by dividing 5,000. So divide 5,000, you will have 2x plus 5y less than equal 80. So by divide 5,000, you can simplify the equation. Second, it only has 660 meters square. So for A machine, you have to use 20 space needed, and for for machine B, it will be used 30 space needed, and it must less than or equal to 660 meter square because it is only available for 660. And in this case, you can divide by 20 to simplify the answer, which is 2x. Oh, you can't divide by 20 because it can't divide 20 by using 30y here. So divide by 10, it will give you 2x plus 3y less than or equal to 66. And the third part will be company hire at least 75 operators. For machine A, you will use 5 people, and for machine Y, you will use 3 people, and it must be at least, which means more than equal to 75. So in this case, you can't simplify. So this will be your 3 inequality. And using a scale of 2 cm to 5 units, you need to sketch all this down. So 2 cm to 5 units on the x-axis, 2 cm to 2 units on the y-axis. So in this case, sketch 2 cm to 5 units on the x, 5, and on the y, 2 units. In this case, you have 3 inequality, 2x plus 5y less than 80, 2x plus 3y less than equal to 66, and the last one, which is 5x plus 3y more than equal to 75. So in this case, sketch a mini table for all of this. So the first part, you have x, you have y. You know that if you apply x equal to 0, in this case, y will give you 16. And if you put y equal to 0, it will give 40. For example, x equal to 0, it will be 2 times 0 plus 5y equal to 80, 5y equal to 80, y will be equal to 16. So in this case, x equal to 0, y equal to 16, x equal to 0, y will be equal to 16. So this is the point. When y equal to 0, x equal to 40, y equal to 0, x equal to 40. So this is the point. You sketch a straight line and label the equation. When you label the equation, write it in the equal form, but not inequality form. Okay? And same goes to the others. Sketch the table, x and y, 0 and 0. So when you put x equal to 0, y will be equal to 22. When y equal to 0, x will be equal to 33. X equal to 0, y equal to 22. The maximum is only 20. So in this case, you can't find 22. What you can do is by applying x equal to 5, y will be equal to 18.67. So when x equal to 5, y will be equal to 18.67, which is this part. And when x equal to 33, y will be equal to 0. So when x equal to 33, I'm sorry, this is this part. Okay, 5 and 18.67 will be at this part. So 0 and 33 will be at this part. So you draw a line, and same goes to the last part where x and y, x equal to 0, y equal to 0. So when x equal to 0, y will be equal to 25. And when y equal to 0, x will be equal to 15. So when x equal to 0, y equal to 25, you can't find the answer. So what you do is to make x equal to 5, your y will be equal to, let me see, by applying x equal to 5, it will be equal to 16.67. So this will give you 16.67. So from x equal to 5 equal to 16.67 will be at this line. And when y equal to 0, x equal to 15, so it will be at this line. So draw the line and label the equation. Okay?